Hello, my name is Fernanda Mendez. Today I'm going to tell you the whole truth about surprising folifort. If you are thinking about buying folifort, stay until the end of this video, and I will tell you the whole truth. And I will leave the official website link in the video description so that you don't fall into error and be deceived. Folifort support natural hair growth. Give your scalp the nutrients it needs to support healthy follicle growth and enjoy fuller, stronger, and shinier hair, regardless of age. Aging is inevitable, but hair deterioration doesn't have to be. With Folifort's proven formula, you can enjoy healthy hair throughout your golden years. It works for both men and women, regardless of age. Naturally sourced ingredients in a proprietary formula are designed to strengthen and stimulate existing hair follicles, making them much less likely to fall out, no matter how vigorously you expose your hair to the elements. By promoting healthy regeneration at the cellular level, Folifort actively fights against thinning or thinning hair, helping your hair regain its youthful luster and thickness. Using natural ingredients sourced from non-GMO crops, the scientifically sound formula contains only ingredients proven to support healthy hair growth by promoting natural follicle regeneration. No other supplement on the market comes close to the level of scrutiny the formula has been subjected to over the years. Ensuring only the most powerful ingredients are included, ones that can really make a difference in your quest to support healthy hair growth. By employing proven ingredients that stimulate follicular regeneration at exactly the right doses, the product generates visible results for people of all ages and conditions. Believe in rejuvenating your hair naturally. All ingredients are antibiotic-free, sourced from non-GMO crops, and manufactured in an FDA-registered facility with absolutely no animal testing involved.